Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest men in the world. But what does it mean for you and your money? How can you build multiple streams of income that will protect you from financial disasters and help you achieve your goals? Watch this video to find out. Master one revenue stream at a time. Before diving into multiple income streams, take a moment to focus on a crucial step first, mastering one reliable source of income. So, here's the game plan. Choose a single income stream that truly excites you. It could be a traditional 9-to-5 job, real estate, or even venturing into entrepreneurship by starting your own business. Since your first income stream is usually the most challenging one, the key is to just find something you're genuinely passionate about. It's where you build your support network, gain valuable skills, overcome personal obstacles, and generate enough cash flow to break free from the daily grind. Systemize the first stream of income. Once you've got a handle on your initial income stream, it's time to level it up with some systemization magic. Systemization is all about using time leverage, which means finding ways to make the most of your precious hours. You can tap into human employees who can help lighten the load, and digital tools can also work wonders in streamlining your process. Once you've mastered the art of systemization, you'll be able to see that residual income and enjoy consistent cash flow. Plus, with your system running like a well-oiled machine, you'll have more freedom to pursue other passions or even take a well-deserved break. Leverage resources and build additional streams of income. After raking in that residual income without putting in all the sweat and tears, spread those entrepreneurial wings and expand your income portfolio. Now, we're not talking about starting from scratch each time. Let's take a page out of the successful people's playbook. They first become masters of one stream and then use that expertise to branch out into multiple streams of residual income. So don't fall into the trap of trying to create a bunch of income streams all at once. You need that solid foundation to build upon, and starting small and building up gradually is the way to go. Think of it like a step-by-step process, just like in the corporate world, where they drool over operating efficiencies. You have to make things easier for yourself. That way, you can manage and grow each additional stream with ease. Don't obsess over other people's incomes. When it comes to income, it's easy to get caught up in what everyone else is doing. But here's a friendly reminder, prioritize your own journey above all else. Remember, not every income stream is meant for you. Now, set personal goals and define what good enough means to you. Don't compare yourself to others constantly. Instead, focus on improving over time and carving out your own path to success. Sure, you might see someone raking in $15,000 a month through blogging, home businesses, or being a social media influencer. But pause and think about the potential costs involved. Your joy, sanity, energy, time, and even your precious self-esteem might take a hit. So take risks and chase after success, but do so wisely. Don't overload yourself by doing too many things at once. Here's a common trap many of us fall into, the insatiable quest for the next big thing. It's like we're always chasing the latest and greatest, even if it means neglecting our current commitments. Basically, it's all about going after the next great thing or those tempting opportunities promising quick cash. But these shiny objects rarely lead to long-term benefits. To tackle this challenge like a pro, start by defining your goals clearly. Figure out if any new opportunity aligns with those goals. Ask yourself how it will impact your life and business. Now, consider the investments you'll need to make in terms of time and money. Only jump in when you see substantial and undeniable benefits, and only focus on your existing priorities and give them the attention and dedication they deserve. Passive income isn't actually passive. Diversify into passive income, where you can sit back and let the money do the talking, but it's not all as it seems. Take real estate investing, for example. Sure, it's passive, but you gotta keep an eye on things by involving yourself personally to look over intrinsic details. Without doing so, you allow mistakes to seep into your work, which could then cause more loss. Multiple streams means more responsibilities. With multiple sources of income comes multiple responsibilities. You can totally lighten the load by hiring virtual assistants, contractors, or even bringing on some employees. But fair warning, it takes time to get that delegation process going, and it might cut into your profits a bit. When to consider multiple income streams. Let's take a practical approach before diving into the world of multiple income streams. So before finalizing your decision, ask yourself these questions. First things first, think about whether the opportunity allows for remote work. Having that flexibility is like having a golden ticket to explore various income-generating endeavors. Now, let's talk about money. Does this opportunity require a hefty upfront investment? Make sure it fits your budget and risk tolerance. The key to success is often having a genuine interest in what you're pursuing. So, ask yourself, am I truly passionate about this venture? Next up, time. Can you juggle this new venture with your existing responsibilities and obligations? And of course, the big question, income potential. Is this income stream capable of providing substantial earnings that make it all worth it? Before you go all in, remember to carefully weigh these factors like a pro. Consider your reasons, money, energy, time, and make a well-informed decision. Because when you do, you'll be paving the way for successful multiple income streams. That wraps up today's insights. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned for more.